Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to GCash. And to do so it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you have to do is to open your GCash app and then click on the plus button that says cash in the top right corner. So once you have clicked on cash in, you will find yourself on this page with the section how to cash in and the recent partners. So if I scroll down a bit, you will see that in my recent partners I have PayPal and BPI, but you shouldn't have that. You should only have BPI for your case. So let's click on global banks and partners, and here in the global partners you will find PayPal and Payoneer and other ways, but what's important here is PayPal, so click on it once and then you will find yourself on this page. So of course you will have to enter your PayPal account and then enter your amount. Let's say for example the minimum amount is 500, so click on the enter amount section and then enter your amount that you want to withdraw and then confirm, and here the money will be sent directly to your PayPal, and in the recent partners the PayPal app will be added. So that's it guys, that was very easy and quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.